Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Bitcoin SV. Now, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. First level we can notice is our swing high, so we plot it on the chart. Now, the next level we notice is right here, where we can see price coming down, acting as support before reversing drastically, and as price broke through, the same level acting as resistance before price reversed drastically. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly chart so we can see more price action. Here, looking at the chart, we can notice right away a key level here. So we see price acted as resistance, 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 before flipping to support. So acted as both resistance and support. We see multiple reactions and we see drastic moves away from the level. Now, we also notice key levels on the most recent price action. So, right here, we notice a key weekly level. And we always make sure to color coordinate it to the time frame we're working in. Now, we also notice a key level right here. Where price came down and we see reactions from long wicks here. As price broke through the level, we see a reaction as resistance, and we see another reaction as resistance before reversing drastically. Now, if we look at where price is at right now, we can notice it is actually breaking the lowest point. But we still have these long wicks here. So if we went down to the daily time frame, we would be able to establish a different support level. But since we're working on the weekly time frame, the level that we notice is right here. And what can we see? We see as price came down and reversed drastically. Price came back down and another reaction as support. And if we look all the way to the right here, we can notice that price broke through the level, and now this key support level is acting as resistance. We notice a key level right here. This key level was formed from all of these reactions as support with drastic moves away from the level. We can also notice a key level right here. From this swing high, we notice a strong rejection, and after plotting the level, we notice a reaction from long wicks here, reaction from long wicks here, and we see reactions from long wicks over here, all to the same key level. Now, these are all the key levels plotted on the chart. If you guys enjoyed the video and got any value from it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.